Hi, I'm Mohammed and you're watching the 14th episode of the Academic IELTS Writing Series. Today we're going to take a look at the thesis and outline statement of Task 2 essays. The thesis statement states an opinion and the outline statement tells the reader what the essay aims to do. Carefully analyzing the task is still very important. We need to first find out what the essay requires us to do. The task asks about our opinion and wants to know whether we agree or not. This task also requires us to explain why. The thesis statement here is concerned with our opinion. The outline statement is focused on providing reasons why we agree or disagree with something. Life in a foreign country presents a host of challenges. Some of these difficulties stem from language learning complications. From my vantage point, life in a new country can entail dire social and practical difficulties. A look at the troublesome processes of making friends and finding a job will show this. Unlike the previous example, this task requires us to discuss the opinions that are stated in the task. In this case, our opinion is expressed in the conclusion paragraph. Higher education curricula play a pivotal role in shaping the future. Opinions concerning students' degree of freedom in picking the subjects that make up these curricula are divided. One view states that students should study what they please, while another maintains that they should solely study subjects that will be practical in the future. This essay aims to elaborate on these vantage points before declaring an opinion. This task does not require us to discuss the problem from a personal point of view, so we need to be as objective as possible when we are discussing causes and solutions. In recent years, agriculture has developed greatly. Despite this development, agriculture has failed in some of its fundamental purposes. One of these failures is that today a large number of people suffer from hunger. This essay aims to take a look at the chief cause of this problem and propose a solution. What makes this example kind of tricky is that it requires us to do two things: state an opinion and also discuss how children should be punished. So it's like argument and discussion rolled into one. Distinguishing right from wrong early on in life is of utmost import. Accomplishing this end is a challenging task. From my vantage point, punishment is instrumental in this process. This essay aims to take a look at the preventive impact of punishment on children and elaborate on how parents and teachers should discipline children. In the next episode, we'll talk about the structure of supporting paragraphs in Task 2 essays. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Hey, it's me again. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Ask me your questions in the comments below. You can also contact me at mohammedgulpaigani@gmail.com for online lessons.